My name is Anna. I'm working with Dr. Slepchik the last 11 years. Welcome to our office. I'm going to show you around a little bit. So the first time you're walking to our office, we're going to welcome you with a big smile, a glass of water, Perrier or fresh coffee. Also, we have a massager called Dr. Fuji. And this is a nice neck massager. It's helping you to relax prior to your appointment because nobody wants to come to see a dentist. We also have the paraffin hand treatment, which I love. It's really nice in the winter time when we have a really dry skin. And you can have that during your appointment with Dr. Slepchik or the hygienist. So please follow me. We're gonna do the little tour. This is our digital X-ray room. So here we're taking a panoramic facial X-ray. And if it's necessary, we can send you the X-rays by email, so you can have it in your files. This is our first room, which is the hygienist room. You're gonna have your cleaning here. Also, you will have all the X-rays taken by Diane, and Dr. Slepchik will come to see you to do the examination after your cleaning appointment. We're also offering neck warmers, blankets in the winter time. When you have a long appointment, you can also watch a movie on Netflix. We have Netflix, so you can choose whatever you want to watch during your appointment. This is our second room, which we just renovated recently, and we are really proud of the colors. And this is the operatory room. You can have your fillings, extractions, grafts, Invisalign treatment. You can follow me, please. This is the laboratory and the sterilization office, followed by another room. And this is the last room where Carmen doing the whitening, so you can have a beautiful smile, and also the Invisalign treatment. So that's it for today, and looking forward to meet you. Bye.